And my husband said, Camber, we cannot stay in here because the house was upside down, turned over. And he kicked out the board and we managed to go in the bathtub. My neighbor sought refuge with us. He was in the hall part of the house, and all of us, 7 of us, we went in the bathtub in the concrete structure, and we had a blow-up bed. And while we were in there, all of us in there, and we were just clubbed together in like a big flower ball to keep warm, and the winds and the rain because the roof was gone, the wind and the rains. But all I was there, what I experienced, and that we came out, even though I hit my head, my leg suffered damages, and my entire right side. I was just grateful for life. Nothing else mattered in that moment. And I just hear this song came in my spirit. When I'm low in the spirit. And I just started to sing and I started to sing. And my son, I just held him. I just held him. And all through the storm. And I'm telling you, the winds, not even over, the sounds of the car was as loud, roaring as that wind. And everything keep hitting on the concrete structure. And we couldn't see nothing. Everything just was pitch white. But he was just there clubbing to me and just looking up into my eyes. And I was just singing and singing and singing and just giving God thanks. Because I said, God, we could have died in that house, but you save us. And I don't think you're going to give up on us now. So when the eye came, we just got out. I had to strap my son around me in a woody because the wind, it was blowing me and blowing the baby out of my hand.